Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to display WordPress widgets in columns. So firstly, you have to log into your WordPress account. So to do that, you have to go to a browser and search for WordPress.com. Then follow the prompts and log into your account. As you can see, this is the interface you're going to see. Over here on the right hand side, you can see an option called Quick Links, and below it is the Edit Site option. Click on the Edit Site option. It will take you directly to the editor's page of WordPress. As you can see, it might take a while. Then after you have reached the editor's page of WordPress, you can see over here, this is my page. And on the left hand side, you can see there is an option called block inserter. It's actually a plus icon, blue plus icon. Click on the blue plus icon. And here we are going to look for column. As you can see, column, just drag it to wherever you want to add the column to. After you can select how many columns you need, then just select, I'm going to select 2 columns. As you can see, here are my 2 columns. After that, you have to click on the columns over here, and you can see add block option over here. You can add different types of things from this, like widgets and everything. But if your desired widget is not in the option, you have to again go to the search bar on the left hand side over here and search for widgets. As you can see over here, there are many widgets to add to your column. Just drag one of them and insert it here. And as you can see over here, my widget has been added to the column I needed to, and that is how you display WordPress widgets in columns. So thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys, but make sure that you click on the save button over here to save your actions. Otherwise, your actions will be lost. So thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys.